How to turn off or disable Snapchat notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off Snapchat, both the push notifications and the app notifications. Now the process itself is simple and easy. Now getting this push notifications for apps such as Snapchat or getting the sudden message notifications or snap notifications might be quite a bit annoying for some of you guys. Here is how you can disable it. Simply open up Snapchat, make sure you're logged into your account, tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of the screen, and here you'll be headed into your profile. Once on your profile, you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon that you can find at the top right corner beside this gear icon there. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down here, you can see the option notifications above the Bitmoji option. So simply tap on notifications option. Now you can see there is notification option for every single option. Now if you scroll all the way down below, you'll see transactional messages and professional messages. If you tap on it, it means it is enabled, so you wanna disable it by unticking it. And you can see the ring notifications, sound notifications, vibrate, blink LED, and search notifications for every certain things. You can go ahead and choose particular notifications that you wish to turn off and turn it off. Now if you just wish to turn off the notifications for whole application, what you can do is you can go back, head into the app icon that you have, the Snapchat app icon on your here. You want to tap and hold on the app icon, and you'll find the eye icon there that you can see on the screen. You want to tap on it. Now if your notification is allowed, it'll show notifications option at the very top. Simply tap on notifications, and you can see allow notifications. Simply toggle that off, and all your Snapchat notifications will be turned off. So this way you can turn off Snapchat notifications. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.